What's up guys, Jacob from Marinemax. Wanted to show you our newest consignment listing. This is a 185 Bayliner. This is the cheapest boat that we have on the lot at the moment. This is a great boat to be able to get you out on the water with your family, friends, hang out, just cruise in the nighttime, go to the island, have some fun. Has an extended back swimming platform, excellent for the kids or everybody to jump off of into the water, or if you just wanted to post up and hang around and sit on the back of it, by all means, you're good to go. Now, let's hop up in there, I'll show you a little bit more. And now that we're up here on the boat, I just want you to check out the layout. This is an awesome layout for hanging out with your friends, family, leisurely, out on the water. This boat is powered by a Mercurser 3.0 engine. It's an inboard outboard. Where I'm standing is actually the center walkthrough. You can get up to the front where it is a bow seating section. If you needed to, you can close the windshield here to offer a great windshield to just push the wind past everybody while you're en route, so you can still talk and have a nice conversation. You have a Lowrance Mark IV electronics paired with a stereo. This boat is, like I said, it's the cheapest one that we have on our market right now. Get you out on the water and the island very quickly with your friends and family. If you want to know more about it or see anything else, give me a call. Jacob Wright at Marinemax, 850-819-9106. See ya.